You're looking at our 1930 Packard 726 8-cylinder town sedan. The odometer shows 0 miles. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 330 cubic inch Packard straight 8 with approximately 1,000 miles on it. This Packard starts easily and makes good power for a car that weighs in at a stately 4,925 pounds. The transmission shifts smoothly, the clutch feels good, and the mechanical brakes work very well. This Packard is solid and rust-free with no detectable patches. The speedometer, temperature, and gas gauge are not working. The charging system works correctly. These big Packards are well built and have quite a presence. This is a spectacular car that with very little detail work would be right back to its former glory. Please email us with any questions or to make an appointment to see the vehicle at gllwestllc@gmail.com. Please refer to the event and lot number shown here in the subject line. Liquidity Services, a better future for surplus.